You how to make in this video. This is already pre-rendered model, so I'll be showing you how to do this. Let's just move that to the left a bit, like that. Let's add a mesh that is a cube, and let's scale it up a bit to make it look like a locker. So 3.3, 1.1, and yeah, let's move it up a little bit and duplicate it. This is actually done to make the interior, so duplicate it and scale it down. So the point is, yeah, see, you can see that we're actually trying to make the interior hollow, and to do that, we're going to use Boolean. So scale it down and align it according to the border you need, and then push it back in. Add a modifier, Boolean, and then click on the pan and select the interior cube, apply it. Now, yeah, you can see it's hollow inside. Now let's work on the panel or the gate for that. So you can use the plane, or you can simply just go into edit mode and connect the faces. And yeah, see, that's a much easier way to do that. You can click Control R to cut the sides of it. Once you're done, select 3 of the faces and then extrude them inward to make it look like that, yeah, and repeat the same thing at the bottom. That's pretty much the locker gate done. We need to work on the keyhole. Take a cylinder, scale it down, extrude it outward and then inward, making a keyhole shape. Clearly see that. It's yeah. We're gonna smoothen it a little bit, but that's way too smooth, so smooth flat off and then subdivide to make it more detailed. Move it to the actual location. We just scale it down a bit to make it smaller. Now we need to make the handle, so let's add another cylinder, rotate it, scale it down, extrude it. It's in the shape of a handle. Okay. This is the knob part of it, and extend the. Okay, let's just move that. It's in between the lockers. We're gonna give a cut there because we don't want the handle to be thick, so we're gonna cut it and extrude the handle part of it like that. Subdivide it for more detail, scale and smoothen it to fade, and then rescale it to fit the locker. That's pretty much the locker part done. We need to add some textures and give it color, so we're gonna start with the door part of it. Let's add a new material. Adding the texture, yeah, you can actually rescale the texture using UV editing to make it a little bit more, accurate and design however you want it. So I'm looking for a more realistic metal figure, so that works. I got these textures from Pixel Bridge, by the way, so you can either get it from there for free, and yeah, that's pretty much the locker part done. Thank you.